Anda con él, sino que cuando yo lo veo.
And here comes our crew approaching the dock, and today we're down here at 79th. Another busy day down at the boat ramp. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp. So our guy's making a slow roll approach, and let's see how this one plays out. So we've got one hand on the dock, but we're just going to give the push off, and that's going to get us a little bit sideways here. So he's going for the reach, handle the pole, but we're sliding out a little bit. So he's going to go ahead and try and get himself over. What? Whoa. This is not the way to do it, bro. Oh, he is, getting a little wet. You might want to just step back and reassess this one, bro. He's trying to use his foot as a paddle. Oh, and we're fully in the water. Well, we're halfway in the water. And our guy goes down. But you know what? I can laugh at this one because they're laughing as well. So I'm laughing with them. But, man, that was almost full scorpion on the dock here, bro. So he's going to have to reapproach this. And wisely, it looks like he's going to make an approach on 3, which should be a whole lot easier. Wind and current's rolling that way. If we can just get this sideways on that dock, then he should be good to go. So he's sliding over to 3. And we've got our guy here pulling off a 3. I mean, he should be set up pretty good over there. So, is he backing off again? Maybe he didn't like the angle he was approaching? Or we're not even going to go for a grab here. He's going to turn it around. I'm not sure what he's doing. But it looks like he is. He's going back for 2 again. Our guy has decided he's not going to let 2 win this battle, and he's coming back with a different approach this time, as it looks like we're reversing into it. But, I mean, he's almost crab walking. They look pretty good. And there we go. He's going to hit the dock, and we've got 2 hands on this time. Oh, we're sliding out again. Can they hang on? And our guy's on the dock, and they should be able to get this one put up this time. Well, at least he didn't let it defeat him, came back, and takes a win at the end. And our crew's making their approach on 5, getting some fenders out, getting ready to roll. And Cap gives a little brake nudge to try and get the stern back in, but of course when you do that, the bow pulls out as well. And they're struggling just a little bit, even to get the fenders on, it looks like. Oh, Cap's leaving the helm. They're going for the grab. And Cap's got it. And they're trying to get that front fender down. Just be careful. Oh, don't put your arm in between the dock and the boat. And they're kind of pulled it out. I always get nervous when I see that, man. We're going to see somebody's limb get mutilated one day on this channel. I mean, well, I'm going to see it. I won't show you guys that when it happens. But, man, you've got to watch out. Whatever you're doing when you're approaching a dock, please don't put a leg, an arm, or anything in between the boat and the dock, unless for some reason you just feel like you don't need that appendage anymore. And this looks like a fun charter. I'm just assuming this is a charter with this many people on the boat. I'm guessing it's probably not a charter of the legal kind. I hate to say that, but I mean, maybe it's a documented vessel. But I really wonder if he's got life jackets for everybody on board, because they definitely loaded it up. But here's the real interesting parts. Let's see if anybody gives Captain an assist here, or if Cap's going to have to kind of make his way through this and take care of it by himself. I mean, I'm at least guessing this is a bachelorette party of some kind. But this is how you can tell if it's a charter or not. If nobody helps, it's probably definitely a charter. So Cap's got it down, though. He walks in between everybody, kind of ignores everything else going on, and gets down and is going to get the boat pulled over. And we'll start unloading some people, I'm guessing. But, man, they have this boat loaded up. I guess there's no rules down here in Miami on how many people you can put on for a bachelorette party. And our crew, it appears, is going to try and pull off the 79th Street Wobble. And if you're not familiar with what that is, that means that they can't back the trailer up straight, so we're going to go ahead and just wobble our way down. But they're taking it slow and easy. I mean, do what you got to do, I guess. So I don't ever really knock anybody when they do the wobble. Especially this one. It's a pretty tight and compact wobble. I mean, it's one of the more impressive wobbles, I guess I would say. He's kept the trailer, for the most part, not straight. It still wobbled down, but he really didn't get it anywhere outside the parameters. If this would have been a one-lane ramp, he probably would have still fit. So we're going to grab some lines. He's still got a little ways to go, though. And we got Wifey on the back end, going to handle the lines and try and get this thing off. He's giving her a little bit of instructions, which is always nice to see. I think that's where most things get neglected down at the boat ramp, is captains just assume everybody knows what's going on and what exactly everybody should do. And that's just not always the case. Even if you're with an experienced crew, it always helps for you to give the orders of what's going on and what people need to do. At least then, everybody's on the same page. So we're going to continue the wobble. Our girl's going to take the unique approach of walking behind this into the water. Not one I would definitely recommend down here, because this ramp's pretty slick. If you fall, and our guy doesn't see you fall, the next thing you know, you're being run over by the trailer. She's finally out of the way of the trailer, though, so we should be good. And now she's looking back like, yeah, I want to be on the dock. So she looks like she's trying to give a little tug to pull it off, but it's not coming off the trailer easily. I wonder if it's disconnected. I didn't see anybody disconnect it, but that doesn't mean they didn't do so before they started backing down. Our guy here is going to make an approach on two while they're still messing with this. And it looks like he killed the motor. Interesting approach, but probably a good one. Oh, there we go. He tries to save it. He's got to get his line unwrapped around the hood of the ski. Oh, are we going to see another full scorpion here? Is he going to have to go crazy trying to get on this? And his line's in the water now. No, he's opted. That's not what he's going to do. It looks like he's going to try and start the motor. Got to be careful with the lines in the water and the skis. Oh, no. Careful, bro. Oh, he did it too, didn't he? I can't tell from here. Yep. See him pulling on the rope? This is why, as a ski, you don't want your lines in the water. He just sucked that line up into the impeller. And he just told his buddy, and all his buddy can do is shake his head. Oh, man, one of the things you got to watch on a ski, but these guys are going to try and get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. We have my channel, Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And, of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.